Cruise lines are banking on you not knowing about this. If you're 65 or older, you have access to 7 completely free cruise perks that could save you hundreds of dollars and make your voyage infinitely more comfortable. But here's the kicker, you have to ask for them. But why don't cruise lines advertise these benefits? Every free room service delivery, priority tender assistance, and waived service cuts into their profits. They're hoping you'll pay full price and never realize you had special privileges. Today, I'll show you exactly what to ask for, who to ask, and the phrases that get a yes. What you're about to learn could change how you cruise forever. Let's set sail. Number 1, free priority boarding, even if you don't need it. Here's what cruise lines don't tell you. Priority boarding isn't just for wheelchair users or people with severe disabilities. If you're 65 or older and have any mobility concerns, tired legs from walking long gangways, heavy luggage, crowded tender boats, or just want to avoid embarkation chaos, you qualify for completely free priority assistance. The cruise industry keeps this quiet because every priority request costs them money. They have to coordinate staff, manage logistics, and slow down their efficient boarding process. But here's the beautiful part. It's maritime accessibility law. They cannot say no. When you book your cruise, simply request mobility assistance. You can specify ambulatory assistance if you can walk but need help with distances or stability. This gets you 1. Priority embarkation before general boarding. 2. Dedicated elevator access during busy times. 3. First off privileges at tender ports. 4. Assistance with luggage to your stateroom. 5th priority debarkation on the final day. The insider secret? You can request this assistance for specific ports only. Feeling confident about that calm Caribbean port but worried about the rocky tender in Santorini? Only request help where you need it. Completely your choice. But that's just the beginning. Wait until you see what else they're hiding. Number 2, free room service. No $7.95 fee. Cruise lines keep this surprisingly quiet. If you're 65 plus with any medical dietary requirements, medication schedules, or mobility limitations, you can get completely free room service without the typical $7.95 delivery fee. Here's how it works. Seniors with medical needs, diabetes requiring specific meal timing, blood pressure medication with food requirements, or simply difficulty navigating crowded dining rooms during peak hours qualify for complimentary room service accommodations. But here's the part they really don't advertise. The definition of medical need is broader than you think. Difficulty standing in buffet lines, early medication schedules, or needing to eat at specific times all qualify. The psychology behind this? Cruise lines know medical emergencies are expensive and create liability. It's actually cheaper for them to accommodate your dietary and medication needs proactively. They just don't publicize it because everyone would claim medical necessity. The magic phrase, when calling? I have senior dietary requirements related to my medication schedule and would like to understand room service accommodations. Do you think that's convenient? The next perk could make your entire cruise more enjoyable. Number 3, guaranteed prime dining times. Most major cruise lines offer senior dining preferences, but they've buried them deeper than a sunken treasure. Why? Because they'd rather fill dining rooms efficiently and only offer accommodations when directly pressed. Here's your insider playbook. Royal Caribbean. Seniors 65 plus can request guaranteed early dining times, 5 p.m. for seating, and specific table locations near service stations or away from high-traffic areas. Carnival, senior dining accommodations include priority reservations at specialty restaurants and guaranteed main dining room seating times that work with medication schedules. Princess Cruises, their senior sailing program includes guaranteed preferred dining times, but you must specifically request it when booking. The phone hack. When calling, don't just ask, "Do you have senior dining options?" Instead, say, "I'd like to request senior dining accommodations for passengers 65 and older." The specific language triggers their system to check for unpublished accommodations. Here's something even better than dining preferences. Number 4. Free shore excursion VIP treatment. Cruise lines have quietly implemented senior shore excursion policies, but they don't announce them because it would create more demand for their limited mobility accessible tours and upset other passengers who pay full price. Most major cruise lines allow seniors with mobility concerns to request 1. Priority boarding on shore excursion buses. 2. Reserved front seating on tour vehicles. 3. Extended time at stops for rest breaks. 4. Alternative transportation for walking intensive tours. 5. Complimentary escort assistance for complex port navigation. The magic phrase? I'd like to request shore excursion accommodations due to senior mobility considerations. Don't claim you need a wheelchair if you don't. Just mention that you'd benefit from additional time and assistance. But here's the insider move. Combine this with the next perk for maximum benefit. Number 5. Free cabin upgrades, the senior secret. Cruise lines train their staff to say, we're completely booked when people ask about upgrades. But senior travelers have special leverage most people never use. At embarkation or during the first day, mention if you have any discomfort in your assigned cabin due to age-related needs, difficulty with upper berths, need for grab bars, easier bathroom access, or proximity to medical facilities. Don't exaggerate. Just be honest about comfort requirements. Guest services and hotel directors have discretion to move seniors too. 1. Accessible cabins with better bathroom facilities. 2. Lower deck cabins for easier elevator access. 3. Cabins closer to medical centers or dining venues. 4. Balcony rooms for mobility and comfort needs. The psychology hack guest services deal with demanding passengers constantly. A polite senior mentioning legitimate comfort concerns often gets accommodated because you're being reasonable, not entitled. Now, here's where it gets even better. Number 6. The specialty dining fee loophole. Cruise lines make millions on specialty dining and service fees, but seniors have multiple ways to avoid them that most cruisers never discover. Medical dietary needs. Any special dietary requirements, diabetic meals, low sodium options, texture-modified foods for dental issues often qualify for complimentary specialty restaurant accommodations or free room service. Medication timing. If your medication schedule conflicts with main dining hours, many cruise lines waive specialty dining fees to accommodate proper nutrition timing. Anniversary and milestone celebrations. Senior couples celebrating major anniversaries, 25 plus years, especially 50 plus, often receive complimentary specialty dining, but you must mention it specifically. The insider secret. If you're celebrating any significant milestone, retirement cruise, major anniversary, first cruise after health recovery, mention this to guest services. Many cruise lines have unpublished policies for milestone celebrations. But there's one more perk that's absolutely game-changing. Number 7, the Future Cruise Discount Secret, 30% off. This is the perk cruise lines guard most jealously. Senior travelers often qualify for massive future cruise discounts that have nothing to do with loyalty status or onboard spending. Senior loyalty acceleration. Passengers 65 plus often get fast-tracked to higher loyalty tiers, unlocking better future cruise discounts and perks sooner than younger travelers. Medical consideration discounts. Seniors who needed medical accommodations on their current cruise often receive significant discounts on future bookings to encourage return business. Referral multipliers. Senior travelers who refer other seniors often get double or triple referral credits compared to standard programs. Repositioning cruise access. Seniors get priority booking access to repositioning cruises, the cheapest cruise deals available, before they're offered to the general public. The key phrase, as a senior traveler, I'd like to understand what future cruise accommodations and discounts might be available based on my current cruise experience. The words that unlock everything. Here's your master script for claiming these perks. Don't be demanding. Be informative. Hi, I'm 65 and sailing with you. I wanted to check what accommodations might be available for senior passengers with comfort and mobility considerations. This single sentence opens the door to priority boarding, dining accommodations, cabin upgrades, and guest services solutions. The magic is in being specific about your age and mentioning accommodations and considerations rather than demanding specific perks. Remember, Cruise staff deal with entitled passengers constantly. Seniors who are polite, specific, and informed get much better treatment than those who demand or complain. Your action plan. Before your next cruise, here's exactly what to do. 1. At booking, request any mobility assistance and dining accommodations. 2 weeks before, call the cruise line directly to confirm senior accommodations. 3. At embarkation, mention your age and ask about available senior services. 4. First day on board. Visit guest services to discuss comfort accommodations. 5. Before disembarkation, ask about senior discounts for future cruises. Don't try to claim perks you don't need, but absolutely claim the ones that improve your cruise experience. These benefits exist specifically for you. The cruise lines just hope you won't ask. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these perks surprised you the most? Have you ever successfully used senior cruise benefits, or have cruise lines given you the runaround? And I'll see you in the next one with even more ways to sail smarter. Bon voyage!